Hi, and welcome to Practical Meditation. This is Greg DeVries, the meditation coach, and I am so excited to have you here. First of all, I want to congratulate you on taking the first step in improving your life forever. It doesn't matter if you've never meditated before, or maybe you've meditated for years and you're just trying to get back into your practice, or maybe you're looking for new tips or tricks. Regardless of your experience with meditation, you're going to get some benefit from this course. I've tried to make it as easy as possible, and so what we're going to do is we're going to start really slow. We're going to do everything step by step. You've got this course for the rest of your life, and so there's no need to rush or try to push through. I want you to take your time and to really understand the concepts. But there is one thing I need to ask from you. You're going to need to practice. You can't just watch these videos or read the texts or take the quizzes and have the same results. You're going to have to actually practice. So I really want you to make this a priority in your life and set aside the time that you need to do the meditations. And I also want to say something. You may not be taking this course for the reasons you actually think you are. You know, most people are attracted to meditation because, I'm stressed out at work, or, I get angry a lot, or, my health is not as good as it should be. I want to feel more peace or calm in my life. But let me tell you the reason. I've taught thousands of people to meditate. And the underlying reason is because when you suffer from anxiety, stress, depression, and chronic illness, you can't be your true self. You can't share your gifts with the world. And so through this practice of meditation, not only will you gain some peace in your life, some confidence, because you won't feel that anxiety and stress that you normally would. You'll feel more social. There are so many benefits to practical meditation. And I'm really excited that you've decided to take this step. Now keep in mind that starting meditation can be like starting a new diet, right? Maybe you're really motivated at this moment, and after a few days or weeks, you may kind of lose interest. The important thing is to practice every day. Also keep in mind that you won't see instant results. During the time in meditation, maybe you're going to feel really relaxed and calm, but it does take some time before those feelings and that presence and peace actually transform into your regular life. You're going to hear all about my story, and really I saw some tremendous benefits in just as little as 6 weeks or so. Anyway, I just really wanted to thank you for taking this course. If you have any questions, please post them for me in the discussion area, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Have a wonderful day. Namaste.